This is a trailer part of the campsite.
Area.
Yeah. We actually
We are on the tent sites.
tent sites.
area.
Yeah.
Yes.
See,
Yeah.
looks like most of the camper here are established, right?
Well, that is the rec hall there.
Where?
Over there. That's the rec hall, right?
Oh yeah,
The building.
that's
So
the rec
that's
hall.
the rec hall.
So you get Wi-Fi there, and it's
Yeah,
also
and then
free to
some
use by anybody.
books,
Books, yeah.
dartboard.
Dartboard. See, nice.
Nice area here.
There's also lots of birds. We saw blue jays,
Yeah, the blue jays.
cardinals, and other birds. And they have also a new washroom
There's
right
another
now.
washroom.
There's
That's an
washroom
old
there.
washroom, but it's a good one. Shower with washroom.
Yeah.
Toilets. There's
Music.
this
Music.
Later.
area.
See, that's another trailer. This one's almost a house already.
Yeah,
See?
that's a cabin rent.
That's a cabin rental.
I think that's the area where you can play, you can have shuffleboard or something.
Oh,
The sand.
it's a park.
Yeah, it's a park.
See, they have all those signage, patio. Looks like these are all mostly permanent, right? The trailer itself.
Except this. Oh yeah.
It's a lot of them permanent.
Yeah, that's the new washroom there.
Yeah.
That's a
This
new
is
washroom. This is
yeah.
our area here,
This is our
7C.
yeah, 7C. This is where we stay. Also, nobody's staying here tonight. It's empty tonight.
Yeah. And there's the playground over there.
It's another washroom and shower area, laundry area.